Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we want to look at the different types of Quora Ads campaign objectives. So when you start building out campaigns on Quora Ads, there are various campaign objectives which you can select from. So these are going to be the campaign goals which you can define, which becomes critical for any business. So depending on what is your business needs, you choose the appropriate campaign objectives or goals. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform and you start creating a new campaign, it's going to give you these objectives. So as you can see, there is traffic campaign objective, which is basically going to help drive traffic to our website, bring users to our website. Then there is conversions, which is primarily an objective wherein you're trying to drive a campaign which optimizes for sales. You're targeting to generate maximum sales possible, purchases or sign-ups, lead generation possible. Then video views is going to be a campaign objective where the focus will be on getting maximum video views. If you're running video ads, then how we can get the maximum possible views on them, that is what it will drive for. Then there is awareness campaign, which is primarily for brand awareness, where if you're a new business and you want more and more people to know about your company, your brand, then we run a awareness campaign over here with this objective. Also, there is lead gen. So B2B businesses, which would require customers to come to their website and fill up a form, for them, lead gen campaigns can be created, which will only focus on how we can generate maximum leads from the website. And then there is app installs as well, which is primarily a campaign focusing on generating as many app downloads or installations possible. The intent would be to optimize the campaign in such a manner, focus on those users who have more intent to download the app and start using it. So these are the six different types of campaign objectives which you can select from when you start building out any campaign on Quora Ads platform.